Hey guys, Trent here coming at you with another video. So we got more awesome Masters of the Universe Origins. We got a really awesome deluxe vehicle slash playset. We've got Point Dread and the Talon Fighter. So welcome into my channel. If you like what you see, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great toy videos, 80s, 90s, nostalgic videos, and things of that nature. Yeah, the Point Dread and the Talon Fighter looks cool, except for the windowless packaging. But oh well. That means more box art, so we'll check it out. Let's take a look at this toy. Alright, here we go. Masters of the Universe Origins. We got Point Dread and the Talon Fighter playset set, part playset and part vehicle, and can also be an extension piece to Castle Grayskull. So my Castle Grayskulls I had them on this shelf here, so not enough room to put the Talon Fighters on there like that. Maybe I have to put them over here at some point. Gonna have to figure it out because based on the room here, especially when we get Origin Snake Mountain and all that stuff, I gotta figure some stuff out. And then in 2024 we're getting the Origins Eternia, so I'm gonna have to do another expansion, really. I know I'm getting sidetracked, but anyways, for the sake of this video, I'm probably not going to be showing putting it on top of Castle Grayskull, because I mean, it is what it is. So anyways, here we go, Point Dread and the Talon Fighter. So this is the first vehicle that has windowless packaging, but they made up for it with some really cool artwork. We got like the Lords of Power style bad guys and Lords of Power style Man-at-Arms doing battle. There's the Roton flying around there, and then He-Man and Zodak over there by Point Dread and the Talon Fighter. Is really cool. And then we got them inside, up here on the top, and then Castle Grayskull, and then there's Faker and Trapjaw and everybody doing battle. That's pretty neat. Here's an interesting side artwork. We got Tila and Evil Lyn on Panther and Battle Cat. That's kind of neat. Never seen that. I don't think I've seen that before. Oh man, and then over here on this side, who is that? Oh man, we need that figure and that mount. Some kind of dragon and some awesome looking warrior. Yes, give us that one. Alright, we got some cool artwork on the back with the mighty Talon Fighter perched atop its eldritch arch. The mysterious Point Dread traveled through time and space, but Sorceress merged it to Castle Grayskull. Before Sorceress merged it to Castle Grayskull, pardon me. So we got a little demonstration back here on how we can make little outposts. Pretty cool. And then we've got some nice artwork of Point Dread and the Talon Fighter, and there's some extra accessories that weren't included in the vintage, so kind of interesting. Alright, here we go. So this is a really nice looking set so far. Can't see it though, we gotta check it out inside. So let's get Point Dread and the Talon Fighter out and see what it's all about. Alright, here we go. Point Dread and the Talon Fighter out of the package. Since it's now windowless packaging, they leave it unassembled so it doesn't have for display. You know, if it was there were a window, you would have to display it. It would have to look good in the display. So here's all we got. Some minor assembly was required, but the Talon Fighter now locks into this platform, kind of like a Lego block. Actually, for the sake of this showing you here, I'm in front of the camera. I'm having trouble getting. There we go. It's kind of it sits on there good. So the legs snapped in, and then this carry the play handle snaps in. So you can remove that if you want to, I think. And then the wings snap in, and then of course the satellite dish like before. And one cool addition to this is it has an actual windshield, plastic windshield. It looks really nice. And it has kind of like the familiar decals that were from the vintage, so pretty cool. Size-wise, it looks about the same as the vintage one. So let's see how it opens up. There we go. We got the cool inside, and now it's got some additional handles so you can fit two figures in there. And it's got the cool vintage style decals in there. Very nice. Now one cool thing is we have a new accessory that's exclusive to Origins. This wasn't in the vintage. We have a blaster that can do a lot. You can do a lot of things with now. Instead of the satellite dish, you can have a blaster if you want. So that's really neat. So you can display your vintage with the satellite dish, and then this one with the blaster, so it's something a little bit different if you want. So we got our base pieces from just like before, except with some more upgrades on it. So we have the part, this is the part that would attach to Castle Grayskull if you wanted to. So here's the same style swiveling base, perch if you will, as before, but it's a lot more tight, so I like that. It's kind of plain though, but that's about what you would expect though. Basically same as the vintage. Then we've got the actual, I guess the standalone Point Dread piece, and they've upgraded this because it has a fully plastic little panel inside, which is really neat. Because the vintage one just had a cardboard. Actually, in fact, I'm still trying to find that cardboard piece. That's one thing for my collection I need. So that's really cool. And then in addition, they added this piece in right here that allows you to do these accessories on them. So you can break it up into two different play sets if you want to. So the blaster can go on there as well. So that's a really neat set. Alright, so let's put all this together and see how it looks. So we got the complete Point Dread set up like this. We'll see, snap it in. Okay, there we go, now it's snapped in. So there we go, we got our base, and we'll put our Talon Fighter on there. So there we go. We'll go vintage style satellite dish for now. And there we go, we got Point Dread and the Talon Fighter completely assembled. And you can rotate this base if you want to. And you can take them off of there and have some fun. I really like the colors on this thing. They really pops. These reds, this red paint is just like really popping right there. All right, let's see how a couple figures sit in there. So it stays on there pretty nicely when you're putting figures in there. So let's try throwing He-Man in there. If you want to really do the work of get him to grip the handles, you can do that, but just want to see how they fit. And let's try Man-E-Faces. Let's see if they can both ride in there. Looks like it's going to work. Yep, there we go. Couple of bros riding in the Talon Fighter. Alright, here we go. We got the Talon Fighter side by side. So, looks like, yeah, the Origins Talon Fighter is just a little bit bigger. Generally the same. But the Point Dread for the vintage is a bigger piece. Much bigger piece. See the difference there? I think some people were talking about how there's not enough headroom in here. Yeah, let's get a figure here. Yeah, see, that figure won't stand inside of there, but the vintage one, the figure fits inside. So quite a bit of difference. Again, I'm missing my vintage cardboard cutout of what is supposed to be the equivalent of that. Cool, very nice. Oh, one other little detail is this is like a translucent eye there. So I suppose if you wanted to light this up with a LED or something, you could make it look cool. And then I just noticed that the red is much more bright red, and actually, you know, like most Origins, the colors are a little bit more brighter. So pretty neat. All right, got the Origins Point Dread and Talon Fighter in there with Mini Comics Roboto inside. So pretty cool. Got my stuff rearranged. Had to move Battlefield Warriors He-Man over here and Battle Cat. So got Origins there. A lot of Origins here, mixed with Masterverse. Then all this is my origins. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed Point Dread and the Talon Fighter. I think it's an awesome set. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.